Welcome to this video on advanced English expressions. We'll explore professional phrases native English speakers commonly use in the workplace. Why learn these expressions? Using idioms helps your English sound more natural, less like a textbook. Mastering these common phrases also boosts your confidence in business discussions and meetings. Our first expression is run something by someone. It means to quickly ask someone for their opinion or approval. For example, I just want to run this idea by you before the meeting. Use this when you need quick feedback. Next is get the ball rolling. This means to make a start on something or begin a process. For instance, let's get the ball rolling on the new marketing campaign. It's perfect for initiating a new project. Now let's check your understanding. Which sentence best uses the expression correctly? The answer is coming up next. The correct answer is number 2. Let's get the ball rolling on this project today. This correctly uses the phrase to mean starting a project. The expression buy-in means support or agreement from others regarding an idea or plan. For example, we need buy-in from senior management before we launch. It's essential for teamwork and agreement. Iron out means to fix small problems or resolve details. A sample sentence is, we still need to iron out a few issues before the launch. This phrase is ideal for the final stages of planning and error fixing. Finally, at the end of the day is used when everything is considered. The most important point is this. For example, at the end of the day, our goal is customer satisfaction. Use this to summarize your main argument or conclusion. To summarize, we covered 5 key professional expressions today. Now it's your turn. Listen for these phrases in real conversations and practice using them yourself to sound more like a native speaker.